How to show single tick on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can show single tick on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for people who do not know what a single tick is, if you just head over to any messages and if you just swipe it like this, there you should see different options. That is, there are two ticks, there are two ticks with a blue color, and there is a single tick. Now the single tick is not really shown here, but it's simply this tick without the other one. So the single tick is a message that has been sent. Now the double tick is the one that's been delivered. Now the difference between the two is that the delivered tick is, it means that the person that you sent this to has a Wi-Fi connection and they already have gotten the message. Now a single tick means that the message has been sent but the receiver has not yet received the message. So a single tick means that either someone is not using WhatsApp or they are not connected to the internet, but whatever the case, they have not yet gotten the message. Now similarly, the blue tick also means that they have read the message. So if you want the single tick on your WhatsApp, if you want others to get the single tick when they message you, all you have to do is just turn off your Wi-Fi. Do not use your Wi-Fi and you will not receive the text. Now if you do not receive the text, they will just simply get a single tick. And that is how you can show a single tick on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.